What's going on, y'all? It is 4:51 in the morning, and we are on our way to the Williamsburg Amtrak station for a big trip to Washington, D.C. for some Christmas fun.
Yay!
It's Chastity's first time traveling by train, and Chastity's first time to D.C. Very excited to share D.C. with her and have this fun we're about to have.
It's your first time for pleasure, not work.
That's right. Yeah. For pleasure.
Pleasure.
For my pleasure.
Yes.
DC for my pleasure. So we've made it to the transit center here, waiting on our train inside the Williamsburg station. So far, so good. And I really enjoy train travel. It's like, for me, it's a whole lot more stress-free because you just wait on the train to pull up and we get on the train and we go.
I'm excited to try it out.
I'm excited about the snack train. I'm ready to get on the cafe car and get a biscuit.
Yeah, me too. Some coffee.
Yeah, it's early. We've had one cup of coffee, but we've been up since...
We've been over since 3:20.
Yeah, it's gonna be worth it though.
Mm-hmm.
We got in line, but we didn't realize that they didn't open all the doors. They only opened like a couple. So we're walking down to the end. We were trying to get right next to the cafe car because we want that biscuit. We're underway, moving down the track. So, so far, what'd you think about getting on?
Yeah, it's easy, fun. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the novelty of it, I guess.
Yeah.
It's I wish there were more options to travel by train just because it's so comfy and nice. So right now we're sitting in the cafe car, so we've got the table, and the only drawback to sitting in the cafe car is you don't have the reclinable seats. We can move though. You can move about the train
We will move
anytime
after
you
we
want to. Yeah, we got to get this biscuit now. We got our biscuit.
They look good.
Yeah, they do. Got like a everything bagel kind of seasoning on it. Plenty of room up top for all your bags. And look at the room in the seat. Super comfy, huh?
Yeah, very comfy.
So we've arrived in Alexandria. Of course, this is a trip to DC, but we're staying at the Old Town Alexandria Wyndham Vacation Club. So I love train travel. This was Chastity's first time. What do you think, babe?
I liked it. It was a lot more leg room. You can get up and walk. I like everything about it.
Yeah, it's very comfy, low stress.
Yeah.
We're going to try this to some other destinations. It's almost as good as self-driving in the car.
You can lay the seats almost all the way back.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
halfway.
Here we go. On to the next part.
And there's Wi-Fi.
Yeah, and there's really pretty good Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Watched Kurt and Marcia this morning while we were on the train.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you later. We out. If you want to see more travel vlogs, click the link above.